Our planet Earth is a fascinating place. It spins like a top and it also has a giant magnetic field. This field acts like a shield, protecting us from harmful radiation from space. But here's the thing, the magnetic field isn't static, it's always on the move. And the magnetic North Pole, the point where a compass needle points, is moving too. This movement isn't a new discovery. Explorers and scientists have known about it for centuries. What's surprising is how fast it's been moving in recent decades. It's like the magnetic North Pole is on a journey and it's picking up speed. Now you might be wondering, how can the North Pole move? Well, first we have to understand that there are actually two North Poles, the geographic North Pole and the magnetic North Pole. The geographic North Pole is a fixed point at the very top of the Earth. It's like the tip of a spinning top. The magnetic North Pole, on the other hand, is created by the movement of molten iron deep within Earth's core. Think about it like a giant magnet inside our planet. This magnet isn't perfectly aligned with Earth's axis, so the magnetic North Pole and the geographic North Pole don't line up perfectly. So why is the magnetic North Pole moving? It all comes down to what's happening deep inside our planet. Earth's core is like a giant ball of molten iron, constantly churning and flowing. This movement creates electric currents, which in turn generate the magnetic field. As the molten iron moves, it causes the magnetic field to fluctuate. These fluctuations cause the magnetic North Pole to shift its position over time. Sometimes the movement is small, but other times it can be quite dramatic. The movement of the magnetic North Pole has a real impact on our lives. For centuries we've relied on compasses for navigation, using the magnetic North Pole as a reference point. But with the pole constantly on the move, maps and navigation systems need to be updated regularly. Imagine you're a pilot flying across the ocean. You wouldn't want to rely on outdated information about the magnetic North Pole, or you might end up hundreds of miles off course. It's not just humans who are affected either. Many animals like birds and sea turtles use the Earth's magnetic field to navigate during migration. As the magnetic North Pole shifts, it could disrupt their internal compasses, potentially leading them off course. Scientists are studying how these animals are adapting to the changing magnetic landscape. The journey of the magnetic North Pole is a reminder that our planet is a dynamic and ever-changing place. By studying this phenomenon, we gain a deeper understanding of Earth's inner workings and the forces that shape our world.